Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and I want to do some fun experiments with you, so let's go! All you're going to need are beautiful white flowers that smell amazing, some food coloring cups, and water. Let's go! Such a pretty flower. Now, we have all of our cups ready. We've got red, blue, yellow, green, and I made purple. Why not? So we're going to take each flower and we're going to put them in a color, and then we're going to give it a little bit of time and see if the water inside the cups actually absorb into the flower and change the white petals to purple, green, yellow, blue, or even red. How awesome is science? I hope you're having fun so far. While we wait for our flowers to get some color, we're going to do another fun experiment. Let's go. For this, you're going to need a tissue, and we're going to make some lines. Okay. All right. And then you can pick some colors that you like I picked red. Okay. And you can do one more other color if you would like. Okay. Okay. Should look like that. Now, taking a pencil or something long, you're going to begin to wrap it around as best as you can. This is how it should look when it's done. Now, mind you, the pencil bends there, but as long as you have it, because what we're going to do is scrunch it. Ooh, ripped a little, it's okay. But I scrunched it all the way up. So it should look like that. And you're going to slip it right off the pencil. And that's how it should look. It's very small. Now, let me show you what we're going to do with it. So I've made 4 of them, and now all you need is water and a little medicine syringe that you have. And then, you see it moving? That is really neat. Hold on. Let's see. What these are supposed to be, oh, squirt a little hard, caterpillars. Aren't they really neat looking? See how they grow? This is so cool. This is a neat little craft that I'm glad we got to do together. Look at him go. And all the colors that we've used have come through. I hope you guys have enjoyed that. Hi friends, the results are in. Do you want to see how the flowers turned out? Let's go. Here they are. This was red. Let's see. Looks pink more than red, but still. Then the blue, he actually came out blue. The yellow. It really was a long process before it actually started to take color, but once it did, it didn't stop. This is the green. Look how pretty it is. And then the purple. It's very light. It's more like, they're very light, but they did change. And it was really neat to do it and to actually just sit here and watch them changing. It was really neat. I hope you guys enjoyed. Well, friends, I hope you had a great time today with me, making our caterpillars move and especially making our flowers change color. It really is an amazing world to see all the amazing things we can do. Well, friends, I do truly hope you enjoy coming back each and every time to see me, your friend Kookie. That's Kookie, and that would be me. And don't forget to keep liking and subscribing for more and more fun.